Hello everyone. So take the yellow color paper and fold it like this from the between and fold it from the top. Now fix it like this and roll it. Now after folding it, we'll be putting the handle of it like this in the front and then fix it on the sides and the back, and it's done. Next we'll be taking different color papers and fold it like this in the same manner. Fold it like this from the back. Repeat the process with the other colorful papers like this in the same manner and join them one by one and make a circle, and it's ready. Next, take a paper, fold it like this from the sides. Now fold it from the between as well, and then we have to press the paper from the between. Fold it from the top and press it again. Now fold it from the sides or the back like this. Fold it from the between now. Now you have to fold it like this and then fix it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the green color paper like this and then fold it from the between, fold it from the top like this. Press it like this and then we'll be pressing it from the between and the sides. Now fold it from the between and press it like this. Make the plane, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this ninja star. So for that, we'll be taking a yellow color paper, fold it like this from the between and press it. Press it from the sides, and again you have to make the lines like this from the between. Now follow the same step for the other side in the same manner. Make a star like shape and then join them like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a green color paper, fold it from the top, press it like this, cut it from the front little bit and fold it. Now fold it from the other side like this, put the rubber band in the between, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a blue color paper, fold it like this and then fold it from the between. Now turn the paper and again fold it to make its wings, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a pink color paper like this and then make the paper strip out of it. Fold it like this from the between. Now after that, open it and again fold it. Now after that, we'll be pressing it like this. Now after that, fix it like this on the top. Now fold it like this from the sides and press it. Now after that, we'll be pressing its beak like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be making these beautiful birds using the paper. So take a paper and fold it from the sides to make the creases on it. Turn the paper and fold it like this from the between. Now again turn the paper and fold it like this from the sides. Now you have to again press it like this from the sides. Turn the paper and again fold it like this. Keep pressing it, and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color paper, fold it from the top and the downside like this. Now cut it little bit and press it like this. Now put it over the black paper and cut it like this from the sides and fix it, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this DIY craft. So take a red color paper and fold it like this. Now we have to open it like this from the top and press it from the sides. Now fix it like this. Do the same as on the other side as well. Now fold it from the top like this and press it. Pinch it and press it on the top like this and fold it as shown in the video. Press it from the between. Now we'll be making its handle and fix it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.